Welcome to part 2 of the journey in repairing a Mercedes-Benz C200. In the last video, you saw how we purchased the vehicle from an auction yard. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, please do that, as we created a playlist for it. Now, buying from an auction carries a certain level of risk, and therefore careful consideration and planning is key here. You never know what you will be getting, as you can only start the vehicle and not take it for a test drive. With this particular project, we assessed the damages as best as we could, knowing that most likely what has happened was a fender bender with a pavement. So we could see the driver's airbag vent along with the driver's seat airbag, and that is what we will be tackling in this video first. That is, as soon as we have fitted 2 new tires on the right hand side. We are replacing these airbags, the curtain airbag. We also have the seat airbag. Seat airbag. And this is Shakir from Airbag Masters.
Hello.
We will send the details of his details if you want to contact him for any airbag replacements. So thank you very much.
A melting glue.
A glue, okay?
Yeah, a glue.
Yeah. So it will be visible for a while. But as it soaks in, as you wash
That's
it,
fine.
wipe the seats,
Yeah.
all those things. Otherwise, the next solution is to replace the seat.
No. At this point in time, we started removing the seat. But wait.
Is that part of the airbag that's being torn now?
So basically, what happens is the airbag comes in a sleeve. So
Yeah.
just, for example, it'll be like this with the airbag inside.
Okay.
That's it. It's like a popsicle, you know.
Okay, so that basically
Can't-
pops it open.
Yeah, you can't really use that again.
So you basically, this airbag you check for tears, and so if it's not torn, then you roll it up, prep the igniting system, and then put it back in the
Yeah.
sleeve.
Maybe they should start having options, extra optionals in your car. You can have pink airbags. blue airbags instead of these old yellow white ones.
But my question is, would Goldston on purpose try to find out the color of the airbags?
But at least you'll be pleasantly surprised when you do crash, so which is quite cool. So you don't have to restitch this.
No, so we'll roll this back up, put this back in, so when it pops out, it still deploys.
Okay.
The only time we replace this, you get people that cut it.
Yeah.
Then, but I mean, this is still
Yeah.
still good.
Still good.
Yeah.
So it will reinflate.
So this is basically we just
Yeah.
put a
So
new
there's
one
the
here.
explosion that happens there. It pushes a lot of
This
air
pushes
out.
the air out here, and that's it.
Hey boss, do
Never mind, don't clip it.
you need an increase to buy a chair?
Here's my Mercedes driving. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Right, welcome everybody. So here today we are going to look into the aircon motor. If you do switch it on, makes quite a bit of a noise. I will demonstrate that soon. Some other goodies that we bought is new air filter. We have a new cabin filter. Looks like this, which is basically sitting behind the dash. Let's see how we fit that. We have a new oil filter and some spark plugs. These are Bosch brand. Typically when you go to the dealers, you don't have to pay premium price for them. So these were quite cheap. I think they were about 173 rand. Oil filter was like 120 rand. Cabin filter was like 200 rand. And the air filter was something like 130 rand. So it means you don't have to pay premium price at the dealership. So what we will do is I will show you guys. We will basically change in the front, remove it, get to the aircon motor, filter, and yeah. So what I'm going to do is stop it now and just demonstrate the noise it makes. Right, so I'm basically going to start the vehicle. All is good there. And what we will do, I have no seat here. Basically sitting on a stack of paper in a box. That's my seat for the next day. So what we want to do is demonstrate the noise with the aircon. So I'm going to put it on auto. You can clearly hear something is horribly wrong here. If you put it on low, as you can hear, something's clearly wrong there. Put it on low, it doesn't make noise. So I think something is stuck behind here, but what we'll do is we'll have a look and see what we find. Okay, let's start with a couple of screws. So I'm going to get cracking and I'll put on the time lapse.
just realized they are T15s. Phillips screwdriver won't do. T15, that will do. Do get yourself these nice little trays. They are basically magnetic, so all the screws you drop in there stays together. Right, got the cover finally removed. This reveals the motor. I'm assuming this is the motor that makes the excessive noise, and we will try and start the car first, see what the noise is, and then potentially remove that motor. Right, we are going to try and attempt to remove that motor that is basically sitting behind here, and hopefully, yes, we hope for the best. Cabin filter, quite dirty, very dusty. Found the sticker, don't think it's okay. New one going in. Okay, so that looks pretty, it's a bit tight. Maybe there's a bearing?
No, I don't think so.
The one thing I did see is there's a rubber grommet inside the body. No, there's a deeper one.
Oh, but this one,
The one that goes over there. The one that goes over there.
yeah.
Against the body. There might be a bit loose. Alright, but let's try it out. Let's set this up here. I'm gonna slowly put it on. Perfect.
I think this was loose in it because this fell out.
That would definitely explain it.
Because this doesn't go here, and when I took it out and
okay.
tipped it, some leaves fell out.
Okay, well, where does this go?
No idea. I think
Okay.
it was inside here
So, we don't need it.
because this thing is quiet, it runs.
Okay. Let's do it then.
Put it back.
I think we're good. Good job.
Cool.
Just have a look when you put this thing in. You'll see that there is a hole for it. So it goes over these clips, but if you put it next to it, you have to push it in. There's an arrow. I'm assuming, I'm not sure if the arrow points there or if the arrow points this way.
Okay, so there the aircon unit is back, the pump. It is secure.
Okay, switching on.
Okay. Fixed.
Fixed.